Yeah, I just arrived at another state park, the Bulow Creek State Park, I think it's called. I'm probably not pronouncing it right, but this is where it looks like I just parked here. I'm gonna head over there. I see a sign over there. Maybe I can figure out what's going on here. Right, there's about a half-mile nature trail here, so I'm gonna take and go on that. It's called the Wallen Nature Trail. It starts right up here. I think this is where it starts. Okay, that's not the right one. Yeah, I'm not going to that one. There's a half-mile one somewhere. This one goes clear to another state park. Here it is. This is the one I was looking for. The Wallen Trail. Okay. All right. There we go. Okay. All right. I wasn't actually going to show that, but someone was walking up the trail here, so I'm going to go down the steps. Boardwalk. Man, look at that. Holy cow. Water. Oh, man. Oh, seepage streams, they call it here. You can see it down there. It's kind of sparkling. There's a bench up there, trail goes that way, and then there's also that one. Now I don't know which way to go. Huh. I think I'm going to go down this one. We'll see. Man, it's really muddy going through that way. I'm going to go up to that other section instead. Go down that other branch. Okay, back up here, walk this way. I wish I had a map, but apparently they really don't have any available as far as I can see. If it goes too far, I'll probably just turn around. Well, I guess that's a good sign. I go this way. You know, I could have kept going. I think I'm on the other side of that muddy spot. That I was on the other side and I went back up. I think this is the same spot. Just I can make it through here. Oh. Okay. I think that's the same spot. I could have kept going after all. Yep. Yeah, because there I am right at the beginning. How should I go that way? Yeah, it really didn't make any difference. Just different scenery. Okay, heading back to the car. First, let's take a look at this. This live oak tree is dedicated by the Lehigh Portland Cement Company to the memory of Dr. David Fairchild, the American botanist who introduced the soybean and many other valuable forms of plant life to the U.S. As this tree has gladdened man's heart for 2,000 years, so will Dr. Fairchild's legacy enrich the lives of future generations. Over on the bulletin board, they don't think it's 2,000 years old. I think they said like maybe 400 to 600 years old. That's it there. The Fairchild oak. Wow, it's huge. Look at that. Look at those. Think of all the hurricanes that survived over all that time. There's back there. So huge. Can't get the whole thing in the frame. Okay, there it is. That's the Fairchild oak. Decided to sit down on this bench for a moment. I like to sit down on benches just to take it in for a moment.